In this video, I'm going to teach you Janitor AI and how to use its proxy. So first thing you need to do is to head over to janitorai.com and you should be able to see in here some characters. Like for example, when you click on the character, you can chat with the specific character that you want to chat with. They have in here the character definition, latest, and likes. So on my case, I already created a character. Just head over and click on your profile icon and head over to the My Characters option, or you can also create a new one. I have in here this character. Let's head over and click on the this edit. And I can edit their bio, their published settings, personality, scenario, and definitions. So what you can do is you can just head over and edit or open this, and in here you can see that we can actually allow proxies. So let's enable this right here. And then from in there, in order to add some proxies, you can actually connect this, for example, to DeepSeek. Head over to a new tab and head over to deepseek.com. So for this, you can use DeepSeek in order to get its API. You can head over right here to your profile, head over to your settings, and you can see about and profile options right there. So you can also use DeepSeek as an API for your actual character right here on the janitor. Just allow it visibility and use OpenAI in order to bridge these two together. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.